everyone, it's Dustin with TWPD. I'm going to do a little short video here. I've got a Nokia 2V. Pretty simple. He went and bought a new one because they're only $30. He wants his information off this. This is the new motherboard. You don't even need that. So what you're going to do is take the new phone, tear it down, and just swap the parts. And in order to pick up one of these, you can go on Amazon or eBay or even buy the screen, but I'm not going to show you how to do screen repair. I'm just going to show you how to swap the phone here real quick. So first things first is you're going to need to pop off the back of the old Nokia, and you can just get your fingernail usually under it. And we're going to just take off all the Torque 5 screws. You can find the link in the description for one of these. If you want to separate the screen, you can, but it looks like it would require you to remove the battery, and that would be on there quite tightly. You'd want to warm this up and then glue on the new screen. If you're looking on how to figure out how to glue on a new screen, I'd recommend watching my LG Stylo 4 or one of my Motorola Z screens. You'd want the T7000 glue to glue down a new screen if you were to do that. Just watch one of those videos and you can see how separation of screen goes. It's pretty straightforward stuff. If you were to purchase a whole phone like this gentleman did for $30, all you'd want to do is tear down both phones, swap the boards, and you're good to go. Not only you get a new battery and everything else new, but you're going to have a really easy job here. It's not too difficult as long as you have the right screws. Oh, yeah, I've seen stuff like that.
Comes with the different size Phillips and flatheads.
Yeah.
Home Depot, $7.
I've seen it before.
Comes in handy when you're in a dark spot.
Okay, so we're going to go ahead and just separate the plastic frame just with a plastic tool or a knife or something like that to get in between. Pretty straightforward stuff on this phone. Okay, now that we got that unclipped, just let this pop out. And then we're going to go ahead and disconnect all these connectors here. And we'll just leave the front camera in there. If your cameras need to be swapped, just pop them out and use the new ones, but his is fine. And then just pop the board out like that. Disconnect this connector here. It's your antenna cable. And then swap the board into here. Push your front camera back in where it belongs. And let's start clipping all these cables in here. You want to make sure the board's sitting down. There we go. Now we got a nice snap noise. And we're going to reconnect the antenna. I'm assuming this might not work on the other Nokia, so just be careful about that, but the screen should work on everything. So just bend the cable over a little bit so we can get it connected. Put this back on. Snap it all back together. So that's his original one. We could put the new one on. Let's do that actually. Let's take this old one out. And so that's his original back. We don't need that. We need this one and the new one here. Everything is new except for the board and all the data. Got a new battery. This is definitely the way to go if you can find this phone on eBay or Amazon, or we might have the parts in the link description, but you'll need a T5 screwdriver to remove these screws here. And then the top two are going to be up here, are going to be Phillips. So we're just going to go ahead and fast forward through all this. Of course, as soon as you called and got mostly here, I got to call in South Jordan. Right?
That's right. I need to get up and about. We partied hard last night. I'm just fucking being lazy. I'm over all day today.
Yeah.
Yeah, must have missed some type of setting to back all my shit up. I got a lot of work contacts in there that I need to save.
Well, at least you was able to find the phone.
Yeah, definitely.
You might as well use this one. Take the other one back.
Yeah, I don't know if they'll let me take back. I bought this other one up in downtown Salt Lake, one of those Verizon places, and I didn't even. They're like, "You want the box?" And I said, "Fuck it, throw it away." So I kind of feel like go back there and say, "Hey, this phone I'm gonna bring back there and say, oh, you don't have a box or nothing like that."
Yeah.
Take back.
Well, just keep it as a backup.
It sucks too because this one was actually $80. This little one.
Oh yeah, I believe it.
And it was just I was in between job sites, and I said, "Hey, I need a phone now because there's some couple people that were meeting me there at another job site, and I feel like I kind of got hustle on that." But
Anyways, guys, that's it. And, all your data is going to be back up and running here. I hope I didn't just put the same motherboard in. That would be terrible. I'll have to do it all over again. Well, if I did, I'll do it. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up.